Imagine this. You're sitting at an airport. Your son said he'd be right back with a wheelchair, but he doesn't come back. You wait for 1 hour. What happens next will change your life forever. And today, you'll learn English through this emotional story. My name is Linda Parker. I am 59 years old. I live alone in a small house in Brighton. Every day is the same. I wake up early, clean my house, cook food, and then I wait. I wait for my son. My son's name is Daniel. He moved to Canada many years ago. He has a good life there. A big house.
A good job.
A loving family. But I am here alone. Sometimes he calls. Sometimes he sends money. Sometimes he says, "Mother, I will come soon." But he never comes. I still keep his old photos in my room. I look at them every day. One day, someone knocked on my door. I opened it. It was Daniel. My heart started beating fast. I couldn't believe my eyes. He smiled and said, "Mother, I missed you. You live alone. I want you to come to Canada." I was happy but also scared. I said, "This is my home. I was born here. I can't leave." Daniel looked serious. He said, "This house is old. It is not safe for you. You will be happy in Canada." That night, I sat alone and thought, should I go? Daniel was my only son. I loved him. The next morning he said, "Mother, we should sell this house. You don't need it anymore. You will live with us." He smiled like he truly cared. I believed him. So I said, yes. We sold the house. He took the money. I packed my bag. We went to the airport together. I felt sad, but I was also excited. Finally, I would be with my son. At the airport, Daniel said, "Wait here. I will bring a wheelchair for you." He promised he would be back in 5 minutes. I waited. 5 minutes passed. Then 10. I looked at the big door again and again, but Daniel did not come. 30 minutes passed. My heart started to beat fast. 1 hour passed. I felt scared. I looked at every face, but none was my son. I whispered, "Daniel cannot leave me. He is my son." A police officer came and asked, "Ma'am, are you waiting for someone?" I said, "Yes. My son is bringing a wheelchair. We're going to Canada." He asked for a photo. I gave him Daniel's picture. After a long time, he returned. His face was serious. He said,
"Mom, I'm sorry.
Your son has boarded the flight." I froze. He continued. He went alone. He did not take a wheelchair. Tears filled my eyes. My heart broke. I whispered, "No, this is not true." The officer said, "Some people forget their hearts." Then he said, "My name is Robert. I am a police officer." He looked at me kindly. He said, "You cannot sit here alone. Come with me." I said, "But I don't want to trouble you." He smiled and said, "It is not trouble. It is love." That night, I stayed at his house. His wife, Olivia, was kind. She cooked food for me. She spoke to me like a daughter. I cried in my room. I missed Daniel. I missed my house. But for the first time in a long time, I felt safe. The next morning, Robert got a phone call. He went to another room. When he came back, he looked sad. I asked, "Is everything okay?" He smiled and said, "Yes." But I could see pain in his eyes. What I didn't know was this. The flight Daniel took had crashed. There were no survivors. Daniel was gone. Robert did not tell me. He knew I still loved my son. Days passed slowly. Robert took care of me. Olivia treated me like family. Their home became my home. Their family became my family. One day, Robert asked, "Do you want to go back to your old house?" I looked at him and said, "I already lost that house, but I found a new home. I lost my son, but I found the love I deserved." What would you do if you were in my place? Tell me in the comments. If you liked the story, please like, share, and subscribe.